In today's video, I will add banner here with some sort of call to action button or link, and then we will add image here and some sort of call to action here, right? In previous videos, we were making these pages here and added the pages here. So in this video, we make this banner with call to action and image with call to action. Let's begin. So I go to my dashboard and I will go to online store, and I'm sorry for the slow connection here. Okay, then I have debut theme. You should have debut theme if you were following me, but maybe you have some other theme. No. Then hit customize. I'm so sorry for this slow connection. Okay, and I've been trying to hear things out. So anyways, I had this and I had this, and we start from scratch. So I can add anything. So I can, here is this add section. You go sections, and there's this plus button with add section, and you can add like interesting things. Let's see. If you have blog posts, if you write blog posts, they will be shown in here, and if your blog post have a picture, it will be shown in here. So you can create blog posts with images and then have them being seen like a magazine in this front page somewhere. Okay, but we are not adding blog posts today. We don't have blog posts. So collection list. We don't have collections, but if you have like, let's say, swimsuits and leggings and shorts, you can put them here. Or you have like dog things, cat things, elephant things. Okay, featured collection is one collection with different products. So if you have a collection about dogs, you have, dog backpacks, dog shoes, dog glasses, dog lamps, those dog caps and stuff like that. Then your products will be in this here in featured collection, and this is not bad to put in the front page in your home page, but we don't have any products yet, so we should like basically first add products and then like to move them around to see how this collection will look like on the front page, because you always want to make things like to look good for your customers. Okay, so then what else do we have? We have gallery, and this is I think this is very nice. We can add here. Let's see if we can add free images. Okay, let's try this. What do I have? I have good vibes, right? Okay, I have good vibes. Okay, I have blanket theme, so I can, or I have like good vibes. Right? Okay, so I think this is nice as a picture free. So I can put it, I have this picture here, but I can move it here. It will be there, okay? Then I can add this image, and I like this, right? And yeah, I select that image and I put it here, and then I will add this one more image, and I put like this. Yeah, I will put it. Yeah, and of course you can put links if you sell like blankets. This will easily give you. You're like, I don't have products yet, but it would give me a product. I would click that product, and when customer clicks this link, he or she will be sent to that product page. That's so cool. Or collection page, if I have like blankets, and this is like, here's blankets, I click the customer to the like collection of blankets, and that customer will go there to the blanket collection. If I have this collection of dresses, then customer will go to the collection of dresses, and so on. So you can do anything. You can send them anywhere you want. So let's see. And you can write. Let's see what I write here. I'm not sure. Yeah, I can write it. For example, like blankets, inside, you know, and stuff like that. So yeah, but okay. So you know how this works. Okay, let's see. What should I have here? I don't know. Anyways, so this was just an example, and I like this. Okay, but I think this is something that you should put on the bottom of the page. And if for some reason your page loads really slow, you should take it off. Okay, that's just an example. Okay, I made this. I like it, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna use it, so I can hide it. Yeah. And remember I have my own things here, my own examples, so I can really I can move them around, so I can move them around. But I like that there, and I don't like this. I like this here, and I like this. So you can build. This is how you build your site, right? Okay, but you should have products on this homepage, anyways. Okay, so let's take everything off, and let's go and see what other things we have in here, right? So we just had this gallery, and if we want this image with page or image with text overlay. So image with text overlay is that I think it is this first banner I had. We can try it. Let's add it. And if you have on your computer some images, you can use them, of course. For this example, I will take some free images from here, right? I take like this, and I like it, and then I can write here something like, I don't know, come, I'm sorry, come in and chill. I don't know, I just came up with this, but we just have text here, and like, and then you can edit your image size. You can make it crazy small, and you can yeah, you can make it small, or like small or medium, or you can like make extra large, and it will be like huge. Okay, I think small is nice, but we don't see faces. In some teams, that's interesting, but you can actually move that image up and down. In this team, you can't do that. And I'm not sure if I want. This is for the SEO, so search engines. So you can put in like couple in the swimming pool, and like if you are selling this donuts, whatever, I don't know what they are, but if you are selling them, you can write blah blah blah, you are selling them. So Google will know that you sell them, right? Okay, and we have a wide collection of something, whatever you have. Okay, and you can once again you can put a link, and you can choose your product or collection where you send to your customer. Let's say I don't have now anything yet, so all collections, and button will be like yes. It's like, or like check them out now. Check them out now. Like this. Check them out. I think it's better to have like look inside. Yeah? But you should do it your way. I don't know. Yeah, you should do it your way. Yeah? Okay. So this was also just an example. But now we made that banner I promised you that we make. And then we add that image with text, right? So we make this image with text and we put it. We will select image, and it can be, I like this, So I take that, and then you can move it like, do you want to have it here or here? I like it in here, and I will put it here like, summer is here, time to chill. Yeah, so no worries, we have you covered. I don't know, I'm so funny. Covered. Yeah, that's so funny. Oh no, we no worries, we have you covered. That is so fun. That is just once again you make a let's pretend that we have a blanket collection, right? And then you put like blankets inside, right? Blankets, and then you put them like blankets. So or like, it's not, how do I say it, like it's like Bruce blankets. Yeah, so when you say Bruce blankets, it's like call to action, right? Look inside, Bruce blankets. So it's like call to action. You ask them to do. If you say blankets, they're just like, they don't know what to do. But if you say Bruce blankets, you ask them to Bruce blankets. Okay, so this is done. And now I think if we just like put this, and drag it down for now. Yeah, of course, because we don't have anything yet, I think we take this text out. How did I? Yeah, let's take this text out, right? For now. So I think this looks nice at this moment when you're just like building your site. I think this looks nice. Okay, then I save it, and then you start building. Your next thing will be adding products and adding collections. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If this was helpful, thank you. You can like it if you want, and I wish you all the success with building your own online store with Shopify. Thank you for watching this.